Hey guys, I bought these Fiskars pruners the other day. I need to prune some of the bottoms of the crepe myrtles. So I want to give these a try today. We'll open these up, take them out. Okay, so these have the non-slip grips, and then to open you just slide this locking mechanism over to the side. They open up, and to store away and to close you just slide it back there. So let me show you a close-up of the crepe myrtles as I prune these. Okay, to prune these away you want to cut these close to the ground as possible. You may have to cut them a couple of times to So as you can see, the crepe myrtles look so much better keeping those shoots trimmed away and into the tree shape form, and just very beautiful. So you'll have to do this a couple of times throughout the year just to keep your crepe myrtles looking beautiful. So have a great day.